Today we're making Peruvian-style air fryer turkey with Aji Amarillo and orange. It serves 6 people, and total prep time is about 1 hour and 45 minutes. Let's get it Easter ready and delicious. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 2.5 pounds boneless, skin-on turkey breast. 3 tablespoons Aji Amarillo paste. Fruity heat and color. 1 tablespoon Aji panca paste. Smoky depth, 5 minced garlic cloves. Bold aroma, 1½ teaspoons ground cumin. Earthy backbone, 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Herbal lift, ½ cup fresh orange juice. Bright citrus, 2 tablespoons lime juice. Zesty balance, 1 tablespoon white vinegar. Sharp bite, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Savory depth, 2 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon olive oil, divided. For marinade and the basket, 1½ teaspoons kosher salt. Seasoning base, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Gentle heat, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro. Fresh finish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Pat the turkey breast dry with paper towels and trim any extra skin or fat so it fits your air fryer basket. In a bowl, whisk 3 tablespoons Aji Amarillo, 1 tablespoon Aji panca, 5 minced garlic cloves, 1½ teaspoons ground cumin, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, ½ cup orange juice, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1½ teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper until smooth. Reserve 3 tablespoons of this marinade in a clean bowl for basting later. Place the turkey in a resealable bag or shallow dish. Pour the remaining marinade over. Work it under the skin and all over. Then refrigerate for 45 minutes, turning once halfway. Take the turkey out of the fridge and let it stand for 15 minutes at room temperature while you preheat. Preheat the air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Lightly oil the basket with 1 teaspoon olive oil. Set the turkey skin side down in the basket, leaving space around it for air to circulate. Air fry for 20 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir the reserved 3 tablespoons of marinade so it's ready for brushing. Using tongs, flip the turkey so the skin faces up. Air fry for 15 more minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the top with the reserved 3 tablespoons of marinade, then air fry 5 to 8 minutes more at 360 degrees Fahrenheit, or until the thickest part reaches 165 degrees. If it hasn't reached 165 degrees, keep cooking 2 to 5 more minutes and check again. Transfer the turkey to a board and let it rest for 10 minutes, loosely tented with foil. Chop 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, then slice the turkey across the grain into thick slices. Plate the slices, spoon any basket juices over, sprinkle the cilantro, and serve this Peruvian-style Easter turkey. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Easter pavo, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick Peruvian flavors.